CZ Scorpion EVO 3 S1. The CZ Scorpion EVO 3 S1 semi-auto pistol is a very compact pistol in the sub-gun category. Priced right, while living up to CZ's reputation for professional performance, this pistol offered in a polymer core that won't scratch off like a topcoat finish. The polymer frame keeps it lightweight and is comfortable to handle in all temperatures. With this EVO pistol, you'll get a 7.72-inch cold hammer forged barrel with a threaded muzzle in 1/2 by 28 inches, ambidextrous safety, and low-profile adjustable sights. The charging handle can be moved to either side. Larger magazines are available for the Scorpion.